A term that I have learned recently is called digital citizenship. And what that means is kind of how we conduct ourselves online, which is a huge issue with the advent of so many social media sites, so many ways that we can put ourselves out there online. Something that we all should be aware about is digital citizenship. And specifically in terms of a legal issue, you might be aware that potential employers can't ask you certain questions that are protected, like what's your sexual orientation? Do you have kids? Are you pregnant? None of these things you can ask in an interview. It's all protected, but any employer can and certainly will go online and look at what you're posting. What are you passionate about? What do you argue about online? Do you have kids? All of the things that you put online is something that a potential employer could look at and make a decision based off of. I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying they should, but good luck proving it. So I think something that we have to be aware of moving into the more and more digital age is, what is our digital citizenship saying about us? How are we conducting ourselves? How are we protecting ourselves online? What are some things that we may not want to put out there? And what are things that we feel confident enough that are a part of ourselves that we don't care? And it's okay that it's out there in the open. And just know that anything you put out there digitally, you might as well assume that it's not going to go away. Even if you delete it, even if you take it down, it's safest to assume that once it's out there in the internet world, it will remain out there. So just be aware of that and conduct yourself accordingly online.